everyone, when an equation of the tangent line y equals 2x minus 1 of the parabola with focus f at 3, a and a directrix x equals 1, we're going to find the value of a here. So basically, let's consider our standard form of a parabola when you have y squared equals 4x. Because we're going to have to find p, so that would be y squared equals 4 times 1 times x. And remember, our standard form is y squared equals 4px. Therefore, our p equals 1. All right. Therefore, the focus of the parabola y squared equals 4x is going to be 1, 0, and its directrix is going to be x equals -1. All right. And that's for this equation. All right. So if we translate the parabola 2 units along the x-axis, all right, and p units along the y-axis, then our parabola equation will be y minus the p squared equals 4 times x minus this 2 squared. All right. Now, and that means our focus for this will be 1, and we're looking at this, plus 2 for the x, and then for the y, we have 0 plus your p here. So that's going to be equal to 3, p. All right. And its directrix will be x equals -1, and then you have to add the 2. Like we added the 2 there, that gives us 1. That's what we need here. Our directrix is 1. We also have our focus at 3. And then we have this at p, and we have to find the a. All right. Since the tangent line of the parabola is y equals 2x minus 1, I can write this as my y squared. So I'm going to square 2x minus 1, and that's going to be minus p along the y-axis, because we're doing y, squared equals 4 times x minus 2. Again, I'm substituting in my p and my 2. So this is our equation. Now, I'm going to write it again. We have 2x minus 1 minus p squared equals 4 times x minus 2. All right, let's expand all of this. This is going to give you 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus p squared. And then you're going to have minus 2ab's, or 2 times 2x minus 1 times p. And then we're going to have 4x minus 8. You can write this out twice and FOIL it out is also if you want. I just didn't want to waste too much time on the video on that, because everyone knows how to do this, right? You just go like that and so forth. All right. So basically, this simplifies. If we move everything over to the left-hand side, we're going to get 4x squared minus, with the x's here, we're going to have 4 times 2 plus p x. So that's with your x's here. All right, plus p squared here. We had that 4x there. And then we're going to have plus 2p. That's this one here with this. And then plus 9 equals 0. So we're going to call this equation 2. and we're going to call equation 1 is, I'm going to squeeze it in here. This is on the other side. We had y minus p squared equals 4 times x minus 2. That's equation 1. All right. Now, since we have this, we're going to let the discriminant be the discriminant of the equation. We're going to let d equal discriminant of equation. The reason we want to do that is we want to get rid of these x's. So I'm going to use, there's the discriminant. I'm going to use this formula here. That just means I took our discriminant and divided everything by 4. So we're going to get the discriminant divided by 4 equals b squared divided by 4. So this is your a and your b part here. And then this is your c part. So that's going to equal 4 times 2 plus p squared minus 4 times p squared plus 2p plus 9. And this is going to equal 8p minus 20. And this is going to equal 0. We want our discriminant to equal 0 from here. All right, now you notice how all the x's went away. All right, therefore we have p, we have 8p minus 20 equals 0. Therefore, p equals 20 divided by 8, which is 5 divided by 2. That means our a is 5 divided by 2 because we set it up as such. Remember, we set up our focus at 3a, and then we set it up as getting 3 comma p. So basically these two equal each other. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.